This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the bottom door seal in a Frigidaire ultra quiet dishwasher. I've attached a link from a guy that made it look really easy to do this job, but in our case we removed the door from the spring-loaded brackets, and where we're trying to actually engage the seal is under this little tab. So we tried to load it from the top like the guy did in the video that took about 2 minutes. We were unsuccessful. So we pulled the door off. Now I can see exactly where the seal goes. This is the replacement seal that will slide in right there, and it'll be captured along this bar all the way to the bottom. But I wasn't sure what we were trying to engage with the door still in place. Now that we can see everything, we'll clean this area up a little bit, put the new seal in, and show you how it looks. This thing took some effort to force it down into that channel. We ended up cutting a zip tie that was here that held the wiring harness there, so we could orient this door so the part that's accepting the seal is to the top. Then I was able to come in here and put my thumb on top and push down all the way across. So there's a little notch here, and that serves as a locator to establish the engagement. So you start here, work your way across. Looks like we have the seal installed now, so we'll put this thing back together. As we reinstall this, we replace the zip tie that holds that wire loom. The process to remove the door is using a T25 Torx bit. You take out these two screws on each side. Recognize that arm is spring loaded, so if you don't hold it, it's going to slam. And on the inside, there's a nut on each one. So with the door closed and the seal in place before we put the fascia back on, you can see this little area down here, that yellow is the seal that we just installed from the other side. After replacing the seal, you turn the dishwasher back on. We just put some paper towels down here, so if it does leak, it'll be very obvious to us. Now we'll let this thing run through its cycle.